Alright guys, so welcome back. Right, so I finally got it wrong, and right now the price is breaking below this swing low right here. Okay, what am I looking for next? Okay, since I've already outlined that we have this look back if we break down on in February, what I'm waiting for is to see if there is a fair value gap right here, and if not, is there any respect for this up close candle? Okay, or maybe even this two volume imbalance right here, right? Because over here we took out the relative equal highs, and after taking out the highs we broke down this swing low, closing below it. So on a daily time frame, if I was to short, I can only buy or I can only short when the price is within this up close candle, and the stop loss will be right above here, right? So how far low, or how low can it go, right? I'll be using this 20 days look back. Okay, there's these three swing lows, and over here it's quite a relative equal low. So, and there's also a small how should I say, unfilled gap right here. So mainly my targets would be this swing low, and beneath this swing low there will be 50% on this wick, and below that would be the full closeout of this entire gap. Alright, that is what I'm looking at. So on 4-hour chart, as you can see, there's lots of buy stops right here, and there's this unfilled fair value gap right here as well. So if I was to go short, this would be my optimal target. Okay, so there's actually a setup present at the 4 hours, but I'm not sure if this is going to be respected, because overall we have been in consolidation, and when we look at the dollar, there's still room to drop further if dollar wants to. Okay, there is no guarantees that it wouldn't come down this level here, this breaker. Okay, and if it comes down here, then equities will have the reason to rally. So I'm not sure if the 4 hours fair value gap right here, or maybe even here, could pose a short setup. Alright, so I'll be waiting. Hopefully we can get it on the smaller time frames, because that would be more manageable in terms of risk, right? Because I don't like to play this huge swing trades without confirmation, and because right here it's lower highs, so we didn't get a sweep through, but then we did sweep this swing high here. So honestly I'm not too sure. We'll need to see how it pans out over next week, where we have CPI data coming out. So yeah, okay, looking at Nasdaq. Similarly, it's, as long as this trades below this daily volume imbalance right here, then I think this can act as resistance heading down this swing low, and similar to yes, there is this little gap right here, right? Took out the buy side, reached up into this rejection block close enough, and left this high here, right? This is why I do not like the higher time frame setups because it's unfinished, right? On the ES, similarly, right, it took out this high. So if this can be a form of SMT, then that would be great, but this SMT is only applicable on the weekly, right? So that is why I'm not too sure. I'll have to see and wait for more data, and very soon I'll think I'll try to record my getting funded journey through TopStep, because TopStep will allow trading on the futures on TradingView, so you would be able to see my executions and go through with me the journey, right, to see if I can get funded or not. Alright, and at the same time review the TopStep funded account, okay? Because they're giving out discounts, so I'm guessing why not just try it since I'm already doing it. Alright, and I think that's about it for today, right? I like that we have finally left this area here, this range, right, this range here, and yeah, I think the market should start trending soon. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this helpful, insightful, and yep, really looking forward to joining the funded challenge and see how it plays out. Right, and yep,